Earn online 5 uncommon ideas for web developers. In the end, the procedure to get such income ideas for yourself. Can you answer the short question in the pinned comment after watching? Do you think your friends, with whom you share the video, can outscore you? 1. Create and sell WordPress plugins. Step 1. Identify a WordPress plugin idea. Research and identify a specific need within the WordPress community for a plugin that can enhance functionality, provide unique features, or streamline a process. Step 2. Develop the plugin. Utilize your web development skills to code the WordPress plugin. Ensure it is user-friendly, secure, and thoroughly tested to work seamlessly with various WordPress installations. Step 3. Set up an e-commerce website. Create a website to showcase and sell your WordPress plugin. You can use e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, or a custom solution. Step 4. List and describe the plugin. Create product listings with detailed descriptions, screenshots, pricing, and any documentation or support you offer. Make it easy for potential buyers to understand the plugin's value. Step 5. Market your plugin. Promote your WordPress plugin through content marketing, social media, developer forums, and relevant WordPress plugin directories. Offer regular updates and bug fixes. Step 6. Provide customer support. Offer responsive customer support to assist customers with installation, troubleshooting, and inquiries related to your WordPress plugin. 2. Develop and sell progressive web apps. Step 1. Choose a PWA concept. Select a concept or idea for a progressive web app. This could be a service, tool, game, or any web application that can benefit from the PWA technology. Step 2. Develop the PWA. Use your web development skills to design and code the progressive web app, ensure it works well on various devices, loads quickly, and provides an engaging user experience. Step 3. Set up an e-commerce website. Create a website to showcase and sell your PWA. You can use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WordPress with WooCommerce, or a custom solution. Step 4. List and describe the PWA. Create product listings with detailed descriptions, screenshots, pricing, and any documentation or support you offer. Showcase the advantages of using a PWA over traditional apps. Step 5. Market your PWA. Promote your progressive web app through social media, tech forums, app directories, and developer communities. Emphasize the benefits of PWAs, such as cross-platform compatibility and faster loading times. Step 6. Provide customer support. Offer support to assist users with installation, configuration, and inquiries related to your PWA. Regularly update the PWA to improve performance and add new features. 3. Offer website maintenance and security services. Step 1. Define your services. Determine the specific website maintenance and security services you want to offer. These may include software updates, backups, security audits, and performance optimizations. Step 2. Create service packages. Develop different service packages with varying levels of support and pricing. Clearly outline what each package includes and the frequency of service. Step 3. Set up a service website. Create a professional website to showcase your maintenance and security services. Use platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, or Webflow. Step 4. List and describe your services. Create service listings with detailed descriptions, pricing, and clear terms of service. Explain the benefits of regular maintenance and security checks. Step 5. Market your services. Promote your website maintenance and security services through targeted online advertising, social media, webmaster forums, and business directories. Step 6. Provide ongoing support. Offer ongoing support to your clients by performing scheduled maintenance tasks, monitoring website security, and providing timely assistance for any issues. 4. Create and sell web-based tools. Sorry, the remaining video will play after this break. These are all the places you can find me. Apart from YouTube videos, I share trendy curated content on Tumblr. You will find all the URLs in the description. Let's now continue. Step 1. Identify a tool idea. Research and identify a need for a web-based tool or generator within a specific niche. Consider what problem or task it will solve. Step 2. Develop the tool. Use your web development skills to code the web-based tool. Ensure it's user-friendly, intuitive, and serves its intended purpose effectively. Step 3. Set up an e-commerce website. Create a website to showcase and sell your web-based tool or generator. You can use platforms like Shopify, WordPress with WooCommerce, or a custom solution. Step 4. List and describe the tool. Create product listings with detailed descriptions, screenshots, pricing, and any documentation or support you offer. Clearly explain how the tool can benefit users. Step 5. Market your tool. Promote your web-based tool through content marketing, social media, niche forums, and directories specific to the niche your tool serves. Step 6. Provide customer support. Offer responsive customer support to assist users with the tool, address any questions or issues, and ensure it remains up to date. 5. Offer web development workshops or bootcamps. Step 1. Define your workshop topics. Decide on the web development topics you want to teach, whether it's web design, coding languages, framework usage, or specific development techniques. Step 2. Plan your workshops. Outline the content for your workshops, including video lessons, assignments, and resources. Organize the material in a logical sequence for effective learning. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host your workshops. Create course outlines and set prices for enrollment. Step 4. Create workshop content. Record high-quality video lessons that explain web development concepts, provide code examples, and demonstrate best practices. Edit the videos for clarity. Step 5. Publish and promote your workshops. Upload your workshop materials, set up payment options, and publish your workshops on the chosen e-learning platform. Promote your workshops through social media, developer communities, and email marketing. Step 6. Engage with participants. Interact with your workshop participants by answering questions, providing feedback on assignments, and fostering a supportive online learning community. In the last video, I discussed income opportunities for software developers. Find the video here. Also, these business tools boost your business. Finally, let me know your prominent skill or profession. If that's highly voted, I shall tell you such income ideas.